Go. Todd.
Owen and Todd here from Brother and Nature Outdoors. Got a carp on the line right now. He's in that bush.
Yeah. Try to get him out of there, but don't break the line. It's a nice fish. I should?
No, I don't care.
There's not much room. He's getting close though.
Nice fight. You should have the camera going when he took it.
Yeah. I don't know. I'm gonna hold the rod while you pull him in.
Okay.
Here.
I'm gonna grab the line here in a second. Here. Oh wait, let him go, let him go, let him go.
Here, take the pull. He's still got more fighting them.
He's not done yet.
They'll fight hard for a minute and they'll get real tired.
Yeah. He just stopped. Get him through. Yours quit after a while, didn't he?
Yeah.
Keep it loose, keep it loose. Please, that line's crap.
Oh man. Can I put the pole down?
No. It's barely in my hand. Oh, that's tight in my hand. Just wait, I feel great.
Yeah.
Oh.
Don't fall in that fucking.
Look at the fish. Oh my god.
Jesus Christ. I think we just pull him up on shore. The line should hold.
No, it won't. I'll grab the hook.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, that's a nice fish. Hold him up.
Ooh.
Look at the whiskers on him.
Ooh.
Where's the hook?
In his mouth. You gotta get up on shore then.
Here.
I'm going in. I'm going in. Oh my god.
I got him hooked. Set him up here.
Okay. Nice job, boys. It's in the scales.
What?
The line was in the scales. There you go. Okay, get the pliers. Pliers. Day 2, second fish. Oh,
Cut that barb down if you can.
it's almost out. Oh yeah, there we go. It's out.
You want to get a picture with him or you want to put him back?
Okay.
Here. What's going on, guys? Owen here from Brother Nature Outdoors. Me and Todd are out carp fishing right now. I have one on the line. She's fighting like a son of a bitch though. I feel like it's gonna break my line. Todd, it's huge! I can't even. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. There it is. I'm guessing probably about 10 pounds. Come film! It's already going, it's already going.
Keep quiet, keep quiet.
It's already going. Do not drop in the water. I don't want to. I feel like it's gonna break. Should I tie her down or should I just go for it?
I'll bring it here, I'll bring it in. Okay, I can't. Oh, that's good.
Oh, fuck.
Let it go.
Should I tighten my drag or should I let it go?
Don't let slack go.
Yeah.
Like, let him go, but don't let slack. You got it right by the nose.
I literally watched it go for it.
I know.
I'm backing up.
Oh, shoot. This is perfect, man.
She's not going to want to come in, eh?
I know.
Should we just tire it out?
Yeah. Wait it out. There's like 5, like, a little bit bigger than that. Wait, let it go, tire it out. Ooh, ooh. Ooh. It's too far. He's upside down.
Yeah. I'm closing the thing on my phone because I dropped in the water. So audio might not be so good from here on. Go for it.
You. Ooh. Ooh, how do you touch these shiny things?
Yo, I have gloves in my bag. You want them?
No, I can't now.
So they don't spike you?
So you just...
Grab it. Just grab it, Todd.
Good. You got him hooked good. Just wait. We're going to pull him up by the landing. Here.
Right. Oh, she's a good one, eh?
Oh, yeah. Oh, my God. There we go. It's going to flop right in.
Brother Nature Outdoors, first fish of the year. Should I end the film? It's 2 minutes, 30 seconds.
Ooh! Ooh!
What?
He just broke the line.
Did I?
Yeah.
You don't have your scale? What? No, I don't.
Did you pause it? Is it still going?
I'm gonna end the video.
Yeah.
So on guys, Owen here for Brother Nature Outdoors. Todd's here too. Got another pretty nice carp on right now. She's really fighting too. We were just about to call her a day. We found a little bit more bait. Should I let her go?
No. Keep reeling. I want to weigh it.
Pretty nice one, I think.
This is fish number 5 on film.
We had a catfish earlier.
Right this way, this way. He's right there.
Yeah, take the camera away.
Lovely.
She's fighting pretty good.
Strong.
Tired, mate. It's all over the place.
I know.
Hey, I gotta get close in.
So I'm tired. I'm tired. Look at that, I don't know.
You get him?
God, ooh, I thought the net broke.
Get him up on shore.
Yeah. That's a nice one.
Yeah. It's fatty right there.
Long.
What?
We gotta measure this one. This is long.
Dump the net out.
I'm trying.
Or is it hooked?
Right, side lip.
Yeah, right there.
Oh, the net literally gets caught on everything. There you go.
Get the scale. Measure him while he's laying down, then we'll weigh him.
Yeah.
You want a good one?
Hold the camera.
I think it's the biggest one yet?
Yeah.
It's definitely the fattest.
23 inch.
23 inches? Yeah.
So hook it to the,
Take the camera?
Yeah.
Yeah, do that.
Oh,
How many?
6 and 5. No, 7.
Turn it.
7.
7, just about on the dot there.
Okay.
Lay him down, let's get the hook out.
Right below the whisker.
Yeah.
It's weird how these things bite.
Yeah. It's right there. Alright, well we're gonna get this one back in the water. See you guys later. Owen and Todd here from Brother Nature Outdoors.
Caught a turtle, boy.
We just got a little snapping turtle. Look at that.
This thing just ate a carp. We literally watched it eat a carp.
We watched it eat a whole fish.
We're gonna eat a whole
Want to get it? Oh, there it goes.
Damn it.
We should have done it. Do it again, do it again. Okay,
He's
swim
gone.
by.
He's gone. I need more bait.